Unity is strength. Once there lived a farmer in a village. He had three sons. They were always quarreling with each other. The farmer was very sad because of their behavior. He wanted that his sons should live united and peacefully. He advised them many times, but they did not obey their father. One day he called on all his sons. He ordered them to bring three wooden sticks. He tied all the three sticks together. Then he gave the bundle of sticks to all his sons one by one. He asked them to try their best to break it. All of them tried their maximum force to break the bundle, but they could not do so. Then the farmer asked them to open the bundle. Now he gave each stick to all of them and asked them to break it. Everyone broke his stick very easily. The farmer told them if they live together, no one can harm them. But if they quarrel among themselves, they could be easily beaten by others. The sons got the lesson of their father and started living peacefully. Moral: unity is strength.